Okay, well, I got the Eclipse P368. This is the tower I'm going to be using for my PC build. Got the RAM, got the motherboard, I got a hard drive over there. Get this bitch out of the box. Okay, well, so far I'm trying to get it out of the box by lifting just the cardboard out of the box. It's getting stuck on something. I don't know what. This is the back. It said to open from the other side, so I did. Then I flip it over on the table so I can just go. But it's getting fucking stuck. Okay, well, now I can't really make fun of the guy from The Verge on his $2,000 PC because I just ripped the shit out of that fucking cardboard box to get this fucking thing out. Anywho, boom. Here we go with the PC build. This is, fuck, I forgot what it was.